The gates are up, the fence is up. I've still got dirt work to do around the bottom of the fence. I've got to go around and fill in some low spots and dig out some high spots, but they're not getting out. I don't see them looking for a way out right now. They're just more or less investigating the area, their newfound playground. Wire-filled gate. That's another question I have. Why they call it a wire-filled gate when it's not full to the top with wire. I understand it's filled in the bottom, but they skipped that little area on top that I had to go back and fill in with my own wire. Would have been nice if I could have found a gate in town. I probably could have ordered one somewhere and had it shipped here that was full to the top with wire. But as far as what I have access to, this is the only gate that wasn't just a ranch style with the 3 bars that my dogs would easily get out of. This is the best gate I could find. So I had to go back and weld, I think that's hog fence or something, some type of livestock fence. It's 16 foot by 4 foot panel. And I just trimmed out pieces and welded them in there. I did have to do a little bit of modification to the hinges there. They come with a lag bolt style hinge that's supposed to be augered into a wooden fence post. Since I've got these metal poles pounded into the ground that I'm going to attach did attach my fence to, my gate to, I had to weld a threaded piece on the end, and I just used an old U-bolt from Leaf Springs. I replaced some front leaf springs on my truck about 6 months ago. Cut the U-bolt, used the threaded part of that and the hinge part of the lag bolt that it came with. Welded the two together. I did have to drill this hole. You can see how that hole is kind of offset. You can see both holes. It's not straight through the middle of the pole. If you remember, there's a T-post in the middle of that post, or in the middle of that pipe. I pounded a T-post in so that when I could slide that pipe over it, and the T-post would hold the pipe up while I pounded the thing in with my backhoe. Wouldn't have to worry about having somebody sitting there holding it. So we've got some dirt work to do over here on this gate. This gate's got an uphill slope going that way. I'll have to take the gravel, move it out of the way, move the road fabric out of the way, dig the dirt down a little bit. I want this gate to be able to swing open both directions as far as it possibly can. So we'll have to do a little bit of dirt work over here later, but for now, we're gonna get back to work on the house and get in there. Well, no, we're not moving in. We're just gonna use it until we can move in. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, go make something.